Alright, and for today we are making another specialty called Pau Bhaji Chicken. And the ingredients for Pau Bhaji Chicken are... What are the ingredients?
Onion,
Onion,
ginger, garlic,
garlic,
and green chili.
and green chili. So that's what we are mixing in here right now.
Yes.
And how long do we have to keep this in for?
30 minutes to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes we have to marinate it.
Yes.
And then we'll see what happens after.
No, I have to still put some other stuff.
Okay, go ahead and put. Let's see what she does. Alright, so after adding now the soy sauce and the cilantro, cilantro is known as coriander. We now are adding the Pau Bhaji masala. Brand is MGH. Alright, so how much of this do we put?
Just until it covers up the whole chicken.
Oh wow. So in
like
about 100 grams, maybe we're talking about 20 to 25 grams of it. Alright, and then gotta be an Indian over here and you gotta mix it with your hands, people. So mix it all up until you see the color actually becoming brownish. And wow, I can smell it. Amazing, amazing, amazing Pau Bhaji masala right now. Looks really good. Okay, so when everything is ready, just make the pan hot already, put it on medium to high, and we're ready to put whatever is already here in there. So take the marinated chicken and put it in to cook. So if you want to make it a little bit more hot, you can put a little bit more chili to mix into it. A few peppers we do also. For now, we just put the soy sauce, the chicken, the onion, and the secret ingredient, which is the Pau Bhaji masala. So add a little bit more. Oh, that looks amazing. It smells amazing too. And just mix until the chicken actually becomes a proper color. Okay, so make sure to mix properly the chicken. The colored chicken needs to come out to a nice brownish color. And you'll really get this nice fragrance of the Pau Bhaji smell, which is really going to add to the taste. So that all of that aromas mix in with the chicken nice. Okay, and then we let it sit for a while, about 10 to 15 minutes. We shall be back. And voila. Look at that amazing Pau Bhaji chicken. Ready to eat. Bon appetit, everybody. For more videos, please do watch and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now. God, that boom.